How to create a SAT Vmail address, update settings in Falcon Mega Track, and add Vmail address in Vmail software. Go to falconmegatrack.com website. Enter login ID and password and click on Login. Click on Asset Details, open the drop-down menu of Select an Asset, select your asset and then click on SAT Vmail. Click on Create SAT Vmail Address. A window will appear, enter an email address and password. Use your asset name as an email, it is recommended. And click on Create button. Email address created successfully, close the window. Now to update settings for SAT Vmail address. Click on Settings. SAT Vmail address setting window will appear. Let us go through the settings one by one. By default, shore to vessel email sending is allowed. If you select not allowed, you cannot send messages from shore to vessel. Email text size allowed, affects the usage cost. Click on the drop-down menu, and select the text size according to your requirement. However, 10 KB is recommended. By default, attachments is allowed. If you select not allowed, you cannot use email attachments. By default, attachment size allowed is 1 MB. Click on the drop-down menu, and select the attachment size according to your requirement. However, 1 MB is recommended. Through the Authorized Senders option, you can define who can, and who cannot send emails to vessel. There are 3 options for authorized senders which are, all, only listed, all except listed. Let us understand one by one. If you select all, then anyone can send messages to vessel. If you select only listed, then the only listed emails are able to send messages. Let us add emails to the list who can send messages to vessel. Click on Add button. If you select all except listed, then anyone can send messages to the vessel except listed here. Let us add emails to the list who cannot send messages to vessel. Click on Add button. By default, Send Email Processing Report is enabled. If you disable it, you will not receive an email processing report. Email text size allowed, affects the usage cost. Click on the drop-down menu and select the text size according to your requirement. However, 10 KB is recommended. By default, attachments is allowed. If you select not allowed, you cannot send email attachments. By default, attachment size allowed is 1 MB. Click on the drop-down menu and select the attachment size according to your requirement. If you have set all parameters, then click on the Save button to apply changes. SAT Vmail creation and settings have been done successfully. Now let us add SAT Vmail address in Vmail software. Open the Vmail software. A login window will appear. Enter the username and password and click on the Login button. A settings window will appear. Under SAT Vmail settings, click on Add button. A new mailbox account window will appear. Enter the email address details created in Falcon Mega Track. Enter the desired information in the signature text box. Click on the drop-down menu and select a user to assign to the mailbox. Click on Save button. Your account has been added and assigned to the user selected. Close the settings window. Vmail user interface window will appear. You can also access settings from the top menu of Vmail software, to add another SAT Vmail address. For further assistance, send an email to support@falconmegasolutions.com. Thanks for watching.